I love you.
I love you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Festivus.
Happy Festivus.
You know, Seinfeld, you know.
Happy Festivus.
A Festivus for the rest of us.
That includes...
What do you mean?
That includes everything. All of the December holidays.
All the
and
complaining.
traditions and whatevers, right? Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, he's cold 24/7. Yes.
Ta-da. Thank you, Wendy. Love you.
My sister got him that shirt because she got one and he was like, oh my gosh, I need that. So she got him one because they are the ones that are always cold. Kevin and I are always hot and
There we go.
yeah.
Howdy, dog. What up?
So what does your stocking say?
My what?
Look in the mirror and what does your stocking say?
Mott. M-O-T.
Mott.
I'm looking in the mirror. M-O-T. This
And
thing
what
behind
does,
me.
And what does mine say? It says, I roll.
I roll backwards in the mirror. I-R-O-L. You got that one right.
Yep, E-Y-E-R-O-L-L. I roll.
She's always doing that to me.
Yep, don't you dare roll your eyes.
They'll stay like that.
Yeah. Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome. Today we are going to just talk about a lot of solar install every day.
Yeah, every day we're working on it.
Every day.
But we went and dumped and reset and did all that stuff. You haven't even had that up there?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be
Yep.
quiet.
Yep. Okay, so last Saturday after we chatted with you, I worked on Christmas cards, and you and Myron took the day off from doing solar last Saturday.
Okay.
And then on Sunday, you and Myron ran to Lowe's, and
We had to buy some extra parts and
Yep.
pieces and things like that we needed.
yeah, yep. And
Yeah.
then you put the wires on the roof.
Yeah.
Then I was working on Christmas cards like every day, frantically trying to get them going.
She's only
late.
had 11 months to do it.
Whatever. Yeah. And 5 minutes of time. Yes. And so we did some cleaning for travel day. Then Monday was travel day from Birthday Beach to Christmas Island.
We made it.
Yesterday it truly was an island. We'll get to that here in a few minutes. And you and Myron, of course, did solar stuff. So when we got back from travel day, you were working outside, I was working inside. I got us decorated for Christmas and got the rest of the house set up. And we didn't do a Christmas tree this year. We just did a little Christmas display. I kind of alternate years whether I put up the Christmas tree. This year we didn't really have... I didn't want to go through all that, putting up the tree and decorating it for just a few days.
And part of the problem was with all the rain that we did have the last 48 hours really, we didn't want all that stuff outside because we do outside trees along with our inside tree.
Yep.
So this is better this year because of all the changes that we're doing to the solar install. And I know it's not in this area, but still, it's just makes it easier.
It does make it easier, and it's good to rotate it.
Yeah,
so
keep it fresh.
Yeah, so that way it's just always kind of different. Tuesday, I actually got all my Christmas cards addressed so that I could get them out in the mail the next day. So you and Myron worked on solar all week.
Tuesday. That means 4 days she has for people to receive these cards.
Whatever.
Only 11 months. Okay, I'm done. I won't say it again.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will video when he gets cranky at me because I'm not coming to bed on time. I'm doing my cards instead of vacuuming. Okay? So.
I've never.
No, because I do those things instead of doing that. But now that I'm getting flack for...
Oh, flack, you call it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting flack.
Okay.
That's being the polite word. There's other things I could say, but I'm not. It's Christmas time, so I'm going to be nice. Yes. So, let's see here.
Moving right along.
Yes, moving right along.
Did you get lost?
My tongue got all tied up. So on Wednesday, I went and ran errands. And there were a lot of errands to run. I had to go Home Depot, pick up some roofing stuff.
Some special stuff.
I went to get propane. I went to Walmart to get our Christmas dinner stuff and a few other things, gift cards for the kids, blah, 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 blah. I went to the post office. I went to get generator gas.
Post office 3 days prior.
I went to, no, that's 5 days. Look.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay, Saturday, so that's 4 days.
4 days, yes.
Okay,
Sunday
sorry.
and Monday you don't get mail.
No.
But guess what? They might have a surprise right after Christmas. Who doesn't like getting late Christmas stuff? I love it. Okay? That's how I roll too. So,
I'm just one of those people that thinks the cards should be mailed out Thanksgiving week or the week after Thanksgiving so everybody has a whole month to enjoy them.
Nah, most people just throw that stuff away anyway.
Oh.
So, yeah, you throw them away.
I read them once and go, boom!
Yeah. What about you guys? So, when do you mail out your Christmas cards? If you even mail out ones anymore.
Days.
And 2, do you keep your Christmas cards or do you just toss them after the holiday's over? And if they're handmade, do you keep them and throw away store-bought cards? So,
I'm pretty much a one and done. I read it and I'm done.
That's why I don't make cards for him anymore. Nope. He gets a, hiya, happy birthday. Mwah. That's all he gets. And let's see here. Oh, and then when I got home, I started putting all the groceries away. But
and the reason you did that was because we were working on solar feverishly to try to get as much done on the roof as possible before we knew the rains would come.
Yep.
So.
Yep. So.
Which we did.
Thursday, you were working solar. I did some cleaning. I did some baking prep. I was getting all of my little Christmas recipes, stuff that I want to make, getting them all together, and kind of figuring out what I need to do to make those things. And I made a few more Christmas cards because not all of my Christmas cards had to be mailed.
Oh, that's true.
Right?
Yes.
So
Okay.
I got the mailed ones out.
Understood.
Okay. Well, yesterday it rained and rained.
Here comes that rainy day feeling again.
Yeah. Rain, 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 rain.
There was a lot of rain for the desert.
It would rain. Then it would kind of stop. We'd get rainbows. We had some amazing rainbows. And the thing is, it never comes out as beautiful on film, or on digital.
On video.
On video or pictures.
We have a couple shorts up here on YouTube of me walking around with the rain and the rainbow and the washes that surround us here. A few people commented already and said that they were kind of worried because we were surrounded by water completely in the washes that are by us, but
this deep.
We're really up on a point here. That's why the washes are around us. We're up high.
We're up high. The big wash behind us is way down.
Way down.
And the little stream ones around us never get very much water. There are rusty old cans that have been here the 7 years that we've been coming here.
Yeah,
so we're
safe.
not worried. Thank you for your concern.
Thank you for your concern.
We appreciate that, but it's our home. We would not be anywhere not safe.
Yeah.
So, but thank you for that.
Yeah.
And then I got to make some cookies yesterday.
Those are pretty good cookies too.
The pecan snowball cookies day.
Yeah.
You're missing out because you're not here. Guess what? I'm going to freeze some for you. So you're still going to get some.
Hi, Bear.
So, you too, Dawn. You too. Don't feel left out, Dawn. You're going to get some too. I know how you love my baked goods.
And what about Bob and Pearl? They like them.
Bob, well, you're going to get some too, but I mean...
Bob likes anything.
But
you just
the
put
reason
a,
why
put a
I
tray
said...
of stuff in front of him and Bob will eat it.
The reason why I said Dave and Dawn is because they're nowhere in the area for Christmas this
Very
year.
True.
So I'm going to save them some stuff in the freezer. Right. So that was kind of how our day went. I made a few Christmas decorations, and those are for gifts.
Yeah.
And cookies, crafts, video work you played on your computer.
Yeah, just stuff.
staying inside, except for the times to run out and go look at things. Like, it's foggy out there now.
Yeah. But it's breaking up. The sun is coming out. We got a full day of solar, and I think like the next 10 days it's supposed to be partly to mostly sunny almost every day, and you got to love it. Especially, again, our solar install with these Li-Time batteries that we're installing. We're going to have a follow-up video to the other video that we put up a week and a half ago. I hope to have it completed by this coming Wednesday. I don't know if it'll go up then or just a day next week, but it's a little more complicated to just swap out batteries from lead acid to lithium than a lot of people think. A lot of people do know all the steps, but boy, it's an eye-opening experience for me. Everything we had to upgrade. Wires, connectors, all the different cables and fuses and breakers, and oh my gosh.
Yep.
It's all coming up in another video about the Li-Time batteries and why we chose them and moving forward from there.
And we had a little bit more extra to do because you wanted to be able to hook up that 400-watt solar panel when we could. So
the
that's
portable
the
portable solar panel that we've got an extra plug for that, so I can actually put that out on the ground and add to what we're going to have on the roof, which is going to be over 1,100 watts. So that'll give us over 1,500 watts of solar coming in with the Li-Time batteries, and you'll see it all in the wrap-up video coming out here in another few days.
Yeah.
It's just crazy.
Yep.
Plus, we've got a little special, and I'm talking little. It's like a 2-minute video, just a little Christmas greeting coming out Monday morning. So,
gee, and what day is that?
That'll be Monday.
Yeah, the 25th of December.
Yeah, the 25th of December.
There you go. Well,
Are we done?
we're done, man. We're done, mister.
We're done.
You're such a dingling.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Festivus.
Happy Festivus.
Happy any of those things. Season's greetings. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Here. Hey, why are you pouting? Because you didn't get to go outside for the video?
Come here. You're such a good girl. You tell everybody hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. Hello.
Do you have food for me?
She's like, where's my breakfast? Where's my breakfast?
And at the Festivus dinner, you gather your family around and tell them all the ways they have disappointed